Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and I'm back again with another Treasure Tress box. I haven't had one for a couple of months, but I have one again, and it's a bit late. It's the June box, but late's better than never. So I'm gonna get into the box and show you guys the products inside and me using them on my hair. My hair has been in braids for probably about a month now, just because I've been so busy working. So I haven't given my hair any TLC. I'm so bad, like when I put my hair in braids, it just goes in braids and I don't touch it again until I wash my hair. I try to like mist it every day, but yeah, sometimes I forget. But yeah, I'm gonna deep condition today. I'm thinking to do a bit of a deep condition and chill video, just because I feel like it's a bit boring just watching me do my hair. Like wash day isn't anything new, so I thought I'm going to show you guys the products inside the box. I'm doing a deep condition and chill. We have the June Treasure Tress box, and you guys have probably seen it on social media already, but I'm going to show you again if I can open it. And we have the products from the June Treasure Tress box. So, as you guys know, we always get like 4 to 5 full-size products. This time we have 4 full-size products and a little sachet of deep conditioner as well. And these are the, I think it's Imbue Kinks and Curls. My apologies if I said it wrong. But they're also vegan and cruelty-free, so if you're living like a very health-conscious lifestyle, it's really good to know about this brand as well. So as always, we have our little booklet telling us a bit about the collection, and this month we have the Imbue Kinks, Curls and Coils range. So first up we have the Imbue Curl Liberating Sulfate Free Shampoo, suitable for all curl types, and this is step 1, cleanse. And next up we have the Imbue Curl Restoring Intensive Mask, and this is step 2 in the range, condition. We then have the Imbue Curl Inspiring Conditioning Leave-In Spray, and this is step 3, curl. And this is also step 3, we have the Curl Empowering Cream Gel. And finally we have the Imbue Curl Energizing Hydration Serum, and this is step 4, finish, which is to enhance, define and defrizz. I am definitely going to be using the deep conditioner today. I think I'm just going to take my braids out, jump into the shower, shampoo my hair off camera, and then come back and talk a bit through the products and my experience with the shampoo, and then use the deep conditioner, have a bit of a chit chat and deep condition as I put this into my hair. So I'm going to go and do that, and I'll be back in a bit. So I've just jumped out of the shower and I used the shampoo from the June Treasure Tress box. So it's the Imbue Kinks and Curls Curl Liberating Sulfate Free Shampoo, vegan and cruelty free, as I mentioned in the beginning. And I realised as well in the shower that it's Curly Girl compliant, which is really interesting because I've been thinking about trying the Curly Girl method recently. But yeah, I really liked it. It had a really nice light floral scent to it, not overpowering at all, just nice and fresh. And it didn't strip my hair at all. Like, my hair feels clean, but it still feels moisturized. I shampooed twice because I've had my braids in for about a month and my scalp was quite dirty. So I shampooed twice and my hair still feels really moisturized but clean. And I've checked my scalp as well because I get quite a flaky scalp. I struggle with quite a flaky scalp. My scalp looks clean too. And yeah, so I'm really impressed with this. I'm definitely going to be using it again. Now I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 sections and get on with putting the deep conditioner in my hair. If I look down, it's because I've got some notes on my phone for talking points to remember. So life during lockdown, and let me know how you guys have got on. I did a little bit of a video of Treasure Tress a few months ago in like the beginning stages of lockdown, talking about my plans and stuff, and for spending kind of this time. But my lockdown experience has been alright, to be fair. Luckily, I'm so grateful. I've been super busy working just before lockdown. So here we have the Imbue Kinks and Curls Curl Restoring Intensive Mask. Again, Curly Girl compliant, vegan and cruelty friendly. So yeah, just before lockdown, I was contracting at an agency, but my contract got cut short a little bit. Got cut a little bit short because lockdown came in and people had to start working from home and stuff, which obviously I was a bit annoyed about because money, but I'm asthmatic, so I wasn't really too keen about getting the bus into the city centre to work every day anyway, so I was a little bit grateful in that sense that it got cut a bit short, so I didn't have to catch the bus into work anymore, because at that time the buses were still quite packed and people still weren't really wearing masks. It wasn't really like a big thing in the UK yet. So yeah, but I was obviously like, oh my gosh, suddenly my income has gone down a lot, because when I'm in an agency and I'm on a day rate, I get paid a lot more than when I'm working on my own clients, obviously a lot more consistently than when I'm working on my own clients and stuff. But yeah, from about May, the end of April, May, work really started to pick up, thankfully, and I've been very, very busy since, and I'm so thankful for that. I need to go and get a comb, a brush, 1 second. So yeah, I'm really, really thankful for being able to work from home and still earn enough money to like pay my bills every month and stuff like that. One of the downsides was that I kind of started to feel a bit lost, in that it was amazing, but I started to think about where I want my career to go when kind of agencies open again and things start to go back to a sense of normal or normality, and I started to feel really lost in kind of how to get to what I want to do. And then I started thinking, oh my gosh, what am I even doing with my life? And like, yeah, I just started to feel really lost. But again, thankfully, a few weeks ago, before that, I got a place on a social capital network scholarship with a company called Editorial Intelligence, and my place on the program is funded through Google, so I don't have to pay anything. And it's basically like a career and personal development program where they have a huge network of influential individuals and professionals around the UK, and access to like loads of educational resources and stuff. So as a scholar on the program, you get paired up with a mentor that they think will be good for you based on your strengths and weaknesses and kind of what you want to do in life, whether that's personal or career based. And I got paired up with some really great people. The first guy was a tech entrepreneur, a black man. It was really great speaking to him. He founded a company called Meetel, which is a digital 3D fitting room basically. And then the other person I got paired up with was a black woman who is a life coach, and that was a honest lifesaver. I never realised how useful having a life coach would be. So I've had 2 sessions with her now. We speak every other week, so bi-weekly or fortnightly, and it's been so helpful. Like after the first session we had together, I already felt so much more focused and so much more productive, and she really helped me so much to kind of figure out what's going on in my head and why I'm feeling so lost and so unproductive and procrastinating because I just feel unproductive and lost and stuff like that. And since then, yeah, it's been really, really good. It's been such a great help. So the ups have been, yeah, being able to still earn a living from working from home for myself, and having this time to meet with people online, such as my personal life coach. So yeah, that has been my lockdown ups and downs. So I did a little bit of a Q&A on my Instagram yesterday at Roots Undone, just saying that I'm doing a bit of a condition and chill chit chat video today. And if anyone has any questions or anything, to let me know. So I got a couple of basically like very similar questions. The first being, what's been your lockdown go-to hairstyle? So during lockdown, because I have been so busy being self-employed, like sometimes I've been working like 10-12 hour days, my hair's been in braids or in buns a lot. Usually I wash my hair, I put it in braids, and then if I have somewhere to go, then I'll just take the braids out and put in a bun and then it will stay in the bun until I wash it again, and then it will go back into braids and etc, etc. I really don't do a lot of my hair. I find that my hair thrives best anyway when it's pretty much just left alone. And sometimes it's a bit hard to kind of change my hairstyle a lot because my hair being so thick and long now, it's very time consuming. So my hair spends a lot of its time in braids and buns. And sometimes if I want to change, I'll put a wig on. I do want to start wearing my hair out a bit more again. I do miss my wash and goes, but my ends are quite damaged at the moment because, as you guys will know, if you've been with me since a couple of years ago, I did texturize my hair back in like September 2018, just because it was so thick, and being at uni I just didn't have the time to deal with like 1 hour detangling sessions. But yeah, I haven't texturized it since. It was just that one time, so now it's grown out quite a bit, but it means that my roots are really healthy and my ends are a bit straggly. Over time, the texturizer has taken a toll on my hair. It was fine in the beginning, but now the ends are a bit straggly and they don't have as much of a curl pattern. I did detangle my hair in the shower, by the way. I'm just running the product through. But yeah, so for that reason, I haven't really been wearing my hair out a lot. It's mainly just buns and braids. So the other question I got, which is again quite similar, was how did I maintain my hair during the pandemic? And again, I don't really do a lot to my hair anymore. One, because my hair just likes being left alone. And again, it's so thick and long now that anything I do to my hair just takes a long time. And oftentimes I don't have hours to spend on my hair. So yeah, again, pretty much just braids and buns. I did actually film a wash day and then I completely forgot to actually edit and upload it. I realised yesterday. And this is just my brain, like, because being a designer, I obviously spend a lot of my days in editing software and stuff. So at the end of the day, like, then going to edit a video just completely slips my mind. But I will be uploading that at some point as well, because in that video I show where I did a little bit of a hot oil treatment on my scalp because my scalp gets quite flaky, and where my hair has been in braids and buns a lot for long periods of time. I haven't been taking care or washing my hair as often as I used to. So because I don't need to go anywhere, using this time to literally just deep condition my hair and leave the conditioner in it for days. Some people's hair might not like that, it might lead to moisture overload, but for me personally, my hair doesn't mind. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be putting this deep conditioner in and then probably leaving my hair in deep conditioning until Tuesday. It's now Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, and I've got some prepping to do. I've got some client branding workshops on Monday and stuff, and then Tuesday I've got some little bits to do, but I should have time that Tuesday evening to get back to doing my hair. So my hair's probably just going to sit in conditioner now until Tuesday. So that is basically how I've been maintaining my hair during the pandemic. And also having the Treasure Tress boxes has been great as well, of course, because you don't have to leave the house. So I do have a discount code for Treasure Tress as well, which is Roots Undone in capital letters. I'll leave it in the description box. But also Treasure Tress have been lifesavers because it means you don't actually have to go anywhere to receive amazing hair products, amazing good quality hair products. So this is how I put plastic bag on my head, and I use this to kind of naturally steam my hair because, as I was saying, like the heat from my scalp will kind of build up in the plastic cap and then start to open my hair cuticles and allow the deep conditioner into my hair cuticles. So it's kind of like sitting under a hooded dryer, but not so intense and for a longer period of time. So I'm going to leave my hair like this for a few days. And then now I will get a head wrap and just throw a head wrap on, and I am good to go for a few days. So this is, yeah, what I do a lot during lockdown or even just when I'm working from home in general. And I'll look in the mirror in a minute because I don't have a viewfinder and kind of fix it properly because I don't know what it looks like. But this is a wash day and deep condition and chill and chat with this month's Treasure Tress box. And yeah, so I showed you guys all the products in the box. We've had a bit of a chat. Let me know your thoughts on things that maybe you've been up to. Let me know how lockdown's been for you in the comment section. And also, if you are going to order from Treasure Tress, of course they deliver straight to your door as well, which is great because we're still kind of in a pandemic. Make sure to use discount code Roots Undone in capital letters. And thank you for watching, and I will be back again soon.